Alright, so we're about to wash my car. So I'm gonna start out with the rims, and then after the rims, quick rinse around the car, and then start from the top down with the soap and everything I have to do. That's basically like the first shot. This one's good because it helps with the remove all the brake dust and stuff. So this one's recommended 100%. Now we're just gonna pull out the quarters. This one, you always want to start out with the rinse. For this one. That was pretty much the rinse and the soap, and then now we're gonna dry it. This is the towel by Adam Polishes. We're gonna shop him open it up because he's gonna start dropping water. I use this one. We can edit now. This one, it's to clean the windows, and it's pretty good. Keeps your windows clean for a good like 2 weeks if no grime or like insects. What a fail. This is what I was talking about. Look. This is what happens when the creases decides to suck the water in from the wash and then drip it out later on. Now we're gonna vacuum the car and then kind of clean like the plastics and all the interior parts so it looks a little better than what it is right now. We just pull out your mats so you can. This one has like clips, so you can go ahead and put it right here. Does this one work? That one does not work, so we have to grab that. Alright, so we only have $1.25 left, so it takes $1 for it to start, so we'll see if we're quick enough to vacuum everything. Damn, they're not even that clean, look. Sheesh. Good. And then I don't need these right now. Damn, look how old. This is how old my car is. It has a cassette adapter. And then obviously got the iPhone 10, so it has a freaking dongle, whatever they call it. Wrap it around. So we don't need these at the moment. So this is oh. This one's to clean the interior, so it doesn't have any smell to it. It doesn't have any cherry smell, strawberry smell. So all it's gonna do is clean any surface dirt, residue, whatever it's in your car, whatever nasty stuff you have in there. And then you gotta use obviously a microfiber towel to go with this. Go with the grain, like they say. This is my freaking. Making sure you have your boot clean, because you have this nasty, I don't know what to tell you. Quarter. Well, we need it, but now we don't need it. You make sure that if you're gonna spray it, you gotta do it quick because you don't want it drying up and going to places where it doesn't have to be. much cleaned the car. We rinsed it, cleaned the wheels, added some Armor All, gave them a little shiny touch, cleaned everything. It looks pretty nice, not that bad. I want to remove this because I feel like it makes it look pretty ugly. What do you guys think? Wheels all nice and clean. Oh my god, I hate that. Everything came out nice. Let me show them the DIY I did. So this is like a matte black color, and you can already tell it's starting to chip off. So I'm gonna have to redo this, but it was black paint. So if you can look closely, I painted it with Sharpie right here. It's kind of ghetto, but it's getting the work done, so not bad. Not the best, but cleaner than what it was. Take a look. My steering wheel is bad. That was pretty much it for the video. Just wanted to show you guys a maintenance wash on my car. So I'm kidding. Go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for the future videos. Thank you.